Hey, welcome back to my new video. First of all, thanks everybody for supporting me. I really appreciate your comments and messages. It means a lot to me knowing that you enjoy so much my videos. For those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Anyway, today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. First, let's import the logo into After Effects. Create a new composition. I'm using the Full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 5 seconds long. Select the rectangle shape tool. Change fill to solid color and stroke to none. Keep your shift button pressed while drawing a shape. This will help to create a perfect square. Click on Rectangle 1, Rectangle Path 1, and change the size values to 400. Rename this layer Fill. Click Ctrl D to duplicate it. And rename the new layer Stroke. Click on Contents, Rectangle 1, Rectangle Path 1. And change the size values to 390. Change Fill to None. And Stroke to Solid Color. Also, set the stroke size to 10 pixels. Now our rectangles are equals again. Move your shapes layers like this. Place them as good as possible one next to each other. Select the stroke layer, then grab the anchor tool, and move its anchor point in this corner. Do the same with the fill layer, place its anchor point in the same place. If you have this box selected, it will be much easier to achieve this. Now, write your text. You can use any font and any color you want. Be creative. Place your text in the middle of your stroke layer. See how it's snapping? Drag your logo into your composition, then place it in the middle of your fill layer. Wow, the snapping option really makes it easier. Now, grab this pick whip, and parent the text layer to the stroke shape layer. Then do the same, and parent the logo to the fill shape layer. Let's make all our layers 3D, and animate them. Select the stroke layer, then press R to open the rotation. Change the Y rotation value to 90 degrees. If you change the active camera to top camera, you can actually see how our layers are displaced in 3D. If you see that the shapes are not close together, now you can reposition them. Create a new camera. I am using the 35mm preset. Create a new null object. And rename it Camera Control. Make it 3D, then grab the pick whip, and parent the camera to it. Move your playhead to 1 second, then select the camera control layer and press R to open the rotation settings. Create a keyframe on the Y-axis rotation. Then go to the last frame of your composition, and change this value to 85 degrees. Select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and ease them. Open the graph editor and change this curve like this. Our 3D animation is almost complete, and it looks good. Select all these layers, and pre-compose them. Name the new composition, 3D animation. Don't forget to select, move all attributes to the new composition. Create a new solid and name it, background. Place it under your 3D animation layer. Go to Effects and Presets panel and search for Gradient Ramp. Apply it to your composition, and adjust its settings like this. Change this value to 540. This one to 3000. Switch ramp shape to radial ramp. And click on Swap Colors. You could change this white color to a dark gray color. Now we have a nice looking background, but you can also use an image or video background if you want. Select the animation layer, and click S to open the scale property. Go to 15 frames, and create a keyframe. Move back to the first frame of your composition, and change the size values to 0%. Select both keyframes, and ease them. Then open the graph editor and change this curve like this. Let's see our final result. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a simple 3D logo animation in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials, about interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.